Today we're going to take a look at repairing a no-start condition on an early 90s Whirlpool or Kenmore dryer. Okay, so the condition today is that it's not starting. Nothing's going on. Check different functions. It's not starting. I've already disconnected the exhaust hose as well as, very important, the power. And I just need to remove the mounting screws for the back of the washer. There are 5 of them, and I believe they are 1/4-inch hex heads. Okay, now into this. I know from previous experience that it is going to be this item right here, a thermal fuse, and I'll show you how to test it. You want to remove these 2 terminals, and mine has been changed several times, so they come off easily. It's held in with just 1 screw, but just use your multimeter and check for continuity between those 2 terminals. Of course, first thing you want to do is test your tester, and you can see it's making noise. Now this one is the new one. I just put that in. Here is the old one. I'll try to do this one-handed and show you, but there is no continuity there, no beeping. This one, if you had continuity, of course it would signal. So that is going to be the problem, folks. And I'll be right back with you. In the past, I have had trouble with the thermostats, the high thermostat. I'm not sure which is which, but I believe that's probably the high limit there, and that being the thermostat. The other 2 terminals here go right to the heating element, which is right in here. It's not a bad idea to go ahead and test those, which I did for continuity as well, because they will pop and prevent it from heating. But the thermal switch will keep it from working at all. The thermostats, the fan will run and the dryer will sound like it's running, but it won't heat. Okay, now this is just a connection, so it doesn't matter which terminal the wires go onto. However, I always like to put them back just the way I found them, which is just good practice. Okay, I've got my screws all back in. Just got one more to tighten up. And now I just make the connection back to the vent hose, and I should be good to go. All right, let's test it out and see. It's the sound you want to hear. It wasn't starting up at all due to this thermal fuse. I would recommend that if you're having trouble with your dryer and you're not comfortable, definitely seek professional help. But in this case, I've done this one several times. It was very simple. I got some of these online. They were very cheap, like 5 of them. It's like about $6-7. So it's a very inexpensive repair. It seems like a major problem. Don't go out and buy a new dryer. Look into it. You might save yourself some time and money. Good luck to you. God bless.